Good morning. Today we're going to wake up our body, open our chest, and bringing fresh energy into new week. Let's do it. Sit in easy pose. Inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. Now move the shoulders. Inhale, shoulder lift up. Exhale, roll them back and down. Slow and gentle. Inhale, exhale to release the tension from your shoulders, neck. Hands to the knees. Inhale, round your back. Exhale, open chest and heart. When you're ready, do the other side too. Inhale, round your back. As you exhale, open your chest and heart. Start tapping gently through your chest. Relax the jaw and make a soft sound ah. Keep going. Inhale through your nose as you exhale. Relax the jaw, open the mouth and make a sound. Inhale, arms reach to the sky. Exhale, drop to your side. Keep going. You're doing great. Going to make a fresh energy for our week. Let's bring the feet together, knees moved like a butterfly, wings, soft hips, soft breathe. Do not forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. Be here and breathe. Slowly release the legs. One foot outside, the opposite leg. Sit tall. And gentle twist. Back to center, switch side. With every inhale, lengthen the spine. Every exhale, soften deeper into the twist. Back to center. Come to pigeon pose. Slide one knee forward, relax through the hips. Square your hips. Breathe slowly here. Soft shoulders, soft face. Switch side. You can just switch your legs or go through the downward dog if you feel comfortable. Square your hips, relax through the hips, breathe slowly. Soft shoulders, soft face. Keep going, you can do it. Tuck the toes, lift hips up and back, and pedal through your foot to wake up the back of the legs. Come to Malasana. Step the feet wide. Sink the hips down. Hands to the heart center. Great. Just be here. Twist your upper body to the right side. Inhale, hold, back to center, exhale. Now try the other side. Hold your breath for a second. And as you come back to center, release. Now we're going to cat-cow. Inhale, round your back as you exhale. Open your chest. Gaze lift. Move slowly with your breath. Sink the hips back. Relax the shoulders and forehead. Slow everything down. Be here. And breathe. Great, you're doing a great job. Walk the hands forward, melt the chest toward the mat. Breathe into the heart space. You're doing great. Keep going. Do not forget to breathe. Inhale, exhale. Come back to downward dog again to release the tension from your leg. Come back to Malasana. Hand to the heart center. Lengthen through your spine. Move to tree pose. Shift the weight into one foot. Find one point to focus on. Sometimes it will happen. You cannot find your balance. Some days balance come easily. Some days our mind is caring too much. That's okay. Balance is not something you master once. As you can see, I got some trouble here. But that's okay. Keep going. Try. It changes with your energy, your thoughts, your season of your life. And that's totally okay. Just try to find your balance. That's totally fine. Will happen for everybody. You can use the wall like me to get some help. For me, one of those days I couldn't find my balance. That's okay. At this time, our mind will start talking, say, gave up, but we're not gonna give up. Just keep going and do our best. There we go. Stay there and breathe. Feet wide. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, fall forward. Relax the neck and head. Great. You're doing great. Now sit on your heels. Take a deep breath in and Slow and steady exhale. Turn your head and neck to the right side. Come back to center now, the other side. You did great. Notice how your body feels now, lighter, softer, more awake. Release the remaining tension by tapping on your body and making a soft sound. And thanks yourself. Carry this energy into your week. You did great, and your body feels softer and more awake now. And you're ready for your day. Namaste.